So right now it's raining, and that's Yanka in his poncho, and we can't set up our tarp over the tent city. Yanka, what's the verdict?
That rain was ridiculous. I'm like soaked through this.
What are we gonna do?
I can't get the. I need to get a stick. I can't get the rope down.
So Yanka's gonna get a stick. What do you think, Colleen?
I think this sucks.
Yeah, I think that too. What about you?
Thank God we have Yanka to
Well,
do all this stuff.
At least we have a tent that's up.
yeah, but it's gonna collapse under the weight of the water, I think.
No, it'll just roll down. There's something that's up except
Yanka's trying to save the day. But
It's just raining harder and harder and harder.
I think I see him
I don't. Yeah, there's a moving green object.
going into the woods.
And it's gone.
Oh. Yeah, so it's raining and we're gonna have to go bowling.